Basic animation in CreateJS. How to animate a shape with Tween JS. Produced by Lon Hosford. This video shows how to use the Tween JS library to animate a shape on the HTML5 canvas. Check the video description for files and updated links used in this video. This is the web browser view of the finished HTML5 file in this tutorial. The red circle was drawn with the EaselJS library and animated with the TweenJS library Tween class. The EaselJS ticker class was used to continuously update the stage for the animated changes. The fundamental concepts behind the ticker class and the TweenJS library are covered in a previous video. To follow along, use this index.html file found in the start folder and save it in the practice folder as index.html. See previous videos in the series if the contents of this file are unfamiliar to you. We use the get method of the Tween class to build a tween. We also will take advantage of method chaining and avoid the need for a tween instance variable the get method can return. Let's add that to our file on the line after we added the sun shape object to the stage. Start with the CreateJS namespace, the Tween class, and the get method. The first argument is the target object, in our case the sun shape object. The second argument is an object of tween configuration properties. We want our tween to repeat continuously. The tween configuration property for that is called loop. If omitted, the default value is false. We want to change that to true. Now you need to set the target's value for the end of the tween's duration. In other words, what you want to tween to. We use the Tween class method to for setting those values. Using chaining, we can append the to method to the get method, but let's put it on its own line for better readability. The to method argument is an object of the ending values for the target properties that we are tweening. The animation moves the sun shape object to the bottom right of the stage, which is 550 pixels wide and 400 pixels high. If you want the shape to appear on the stage's edges, then you need to compensate for the shape's size, offset by its X and Y registration point. To tween to the bottom right edge of the stage, we want the X tween to 525 and the Y tweened to 375. In a previous video, we drew half of the 50 pixel wide circle in negative space within the shape. As a result, the shape's registration point is 25 pixels for both X and Y. The next argument is the duration of the tween. The default unit of measurement is in milliseconds and the default value is 0. We want 3 seconds or 3000 milliseconds. That completes the tween. The tween computes the X and Y properties based on its own time settings. Those changes are applied when the stage update method is called. We use the EaselJS ticker class tick event to continuously call the stage update method. We start with the CreateJS namespace, the ticker class, and the method addEventListener. The addEventListener method takes two arguments. The first is the event name, which is tick. The second is a function to call for each tick event. We will call our function tickHandler and complete. Now we can add that function. Place it here after the init function. Its name is tickHandler. There's an optional argument which contains tick event information. Then the brackets for the function content. Now you can just move the stage update line into the function body. Open this in a web browser. The animation runs for 3 seconds from the top left to the bottom right of the stage. Then it repeats from the same start point. Keep in mind what you see in this video may be of lower quality due to screen recording and video compression. Still, when you test in your own web browser, the animation may appear a bit jerky. You will learn how to handle that in an upcoming video. You may enjoy experimenting with different duration values and X and Y values, including values outside the stage boundaries. Thank you for watching.